We all know we need to be more sustainable. Here are 3 super stylish, eco-friendly gift wrap ideas. Traditionally used in Japan, these furoshiki-style wrapping cloths are designed to be used again and again. Alternatively, you can make your own from leftover fabric scraps or use vintage scarves. Here's what you'll need for this wrap and gift tag. A furoshiki-style wrapping cloth, 3 pipe cleaners, a strip of fabric, a glue gun, string or ribbon. Place your cloth on a level surface, positioning it in a diamond shape. If your gift is soft like ours, lay a rectangle of card down in the centre of the wrap, then place your gift on top. Tie a single knot with the left and right corners of your cloth. Tuck in the tied ends so they sit inside the scarf. Slide the remaining corners under the knot, then arrange the ends to look like a bow. To make a monogram tag, take 3 pipe cleaners and twist them together. Glue the end of the strip of fabric to the twisted pipe cleaners. Then lightly wrap it around them. When you reach the end, secure the fabric with hot glue. Fold the wrapped pipe cleaner into the first letter of your loved one's name. Use some glue to hold it in place if necessary. Tie it to the present using string or ribbon. Here's how to make eco-friendly brown paper look gorgeous, with a pretty folding technique and a nature-inspired topper. Here's what you'll need for this wrap and topper. Brown or craft paper, adhesive paper tape, foraged foliage, artificial red berries. You can use real ones if your gifts aren't going near young children. Thin craft wire, ribbon, scissors. Cut a piece of brown paper large enough to wrap your gift. Fold over the top edge of the paper to around halfway down the gift. Press the top of the fold down to meet the side of the gift. Create sharp creases along these diagonal folds. Do this on both sides. Starting on the same side, take the remaining flaps and fold into the centre again. Repeat on the other side. This should create a herringbone pattern. Turn the gift over, fold the ends into a point, and tape them to the back of the gift. Now it's time to make your topper. Slot a piece of wire into the ridges of a pine cone. Place on top of a bunch of foliage and secure the wire at the back. Cover the wire with ribbon and tie a neat bow. Tuck the topper into the folds to finish. Replace shop-bought plastic bows with handmade reusable ones. Here's how to tie the perfect bow every time. Here's what you'll need. Wrapping paper of your choice, double-sided wire-edged ribbon to make your bow, contrasting ribbon, double-sided tape. Cut a length of the contrasting ribbon that is long enough to wrap around the length and width of your present. Wrap the ribbon around your gift both lengthways and widthways. Use double-sided tape to secure the ends underneath the ribbon on top. Find the centre of the ribbon you want to use for your bow. Then form 2 loops either side of the centre line. Twist the loops around each other and pull through. For a professional look, arrange the loops and tails so that they are symmetrical, and shape the wired edges. Snip triangles out of the tails to finish. Stick your beautiful bow onto your present using double-sided tape. And there you have it. You'll want to put your perfectly wrapped presents under a stunning tree. Check out our video on how to decorate your tree like a pro.